as possible, and he did just that. He was maybe 2 meters ahead, but the speed endurance, as I suggested.
Hey, what's up, burritos? What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another Countdown Quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now, today, guys, it's all about, Champs 2021. Last year, the competition was not held because of the dirty, stinking coronavirus, but it looked like the officials and the entire members and everybody was able to, do it in a particular way to ensure the safety of the athletes and all of the crew that would have been taking part. And so it seemed to have been a success in the end. Edwin Allen, they were able to walk away victorious, as well as what might shock many people, Jamaica College, they have won boys champs, and Edwin Allen has won the girls title. No, burritos, let me just jump into it now. So there is a whole hullabaloo going on online now because many people are talking about the theatrics that took place with Antonio Watson when he competed in the 200 meters at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletic Championships over the weekend. Now, this is a video that, rubbed people the wrong way. Take a look.
As possible, and he did just that. He was maybe 2 meters ahead, but the speed endurance, as I suggested.
Okay, so I guess you look on the video now, you used to say him definitely did a braff, him did a show off, him did a do all kind of things. He seems to be just quite a very what we more have to say, a colorful individual. He, youthful exuberance, you want to say all of these things. We've seen one of the races that he was checking his watch, very reminiscent of Usain Bolt and how he carried on. He actually competed at the Olympic Games.
Such theatre.
So, burritos, you see this particular video, more to hear from Uno. I'd love to hear, where do you stand on it? Do you think that it is quite okay for the Petersfield athlete Antonio Watson to carry on like this? Do you think it was just all in a youthful way? He was just having fun, and it is nothing that we should be overreacting about? No, more to just point out the conversation, because one things that happening, it start to take place on Twitter because people just love to argue about and go on and the national schools debating competition on Twitter. That is what Twitter is for. Madam Speaker, for and against, sport of information, all of these things. And so one of the tweets somebody actually tagged Jamaica Constabulary Force, Drew Whitham, added the Jamaica Constabulary Force. I do not know why. And there was also a tweet from Climate Change that says, "This doesn't sit well with me. It cannot be that the height of celebrating a win, this young man draws for what's clearly a gun salute. It's neither funny nor acceptable, and we must send a clear message. Impressionable children watch champs. This okay?" And so many people, reacted to that particular tweet, and I'm just like, wow. I personally didn't think that it was this serious, this major of an issue. But I do know that you have people, I think it might be an age thing, like you have generation thing where some people look at this as a really big show of disrespect, and then there are people who just understand, say, yo, this is just the Jamaican way of how we celebrate and carry on with something that's a local event. Now, what I would say is that, it was cool. It's not something that I would do, but I do know that it is a part of that celebratory nature for many Jamaicans. In the same way when we're going out to club, and we hear a particular song, the whole way bust out BBC, when we're singing the Jamaican anthem, Jamaica, boom, we have a particular way. Sometimes when you see a friend from a long time, you'll put your hand like the gun signal behind your friend neck and go pow, and you're like, yo, wagwan, doggy, a long time I don't see anyone. That is just a Jamaican thing, how we interact with each other. And so I guess when you see it like this in a race where some people feel as if there should be a certain level of formality, that it might not it might not come over the same way, it might not cross over well on TV.
As possible, and he did just that. He was maybe 2 meters ahead, but the speed endurance, as I suggested.
Let me just read you a tweet from IB. Now, IB also said, kind of supporting what I said earlier. When we sing the national anthem, we bust a shot. Jamaica, boom. When we hear our favorite song at home or at a party, we bust a shot /blank. When we are at the movie theater and the best or most exciting scenes we always bust a shot. Why people acting brand new? No, you know, I also agree with that. But one of the things that I have to say, you know, interestingly, I would just hope that Antonio Watson, this athlete, would have known, say, yo, you can do this when they are local champs, but me not think I one of them something you're supposed to make cross if you reach like the World Championships or Olympic stage. Like, you know, you have certain things where you do in the yard. Like you can cock up your foot and put pan like all the dress and them look something you can eat all in your bedroom and them look something you can take them chance there. But when you got people's place, you don't do that. So I would have just wanted, you know, somebody, his coach or, you know, team member or whatever, to just kind of give him that bit of word, say, hey, you might, you know, carry on a little bit like this and it can be permitted in Jamaica, but ensure that you do not do, you know, this, you know, make this a spectacle if you were to, you know, go, go in different shores. Let me see if I also see anything else. So somebody jumped in the defense of the athlete and said, Kenyatta Poe, apparently this is a concern for some people and I can't fathom why they are bothered. He is a kid winning one of the biggest races at the biggest sporting event in Jamaica. Let the youth have some fun, man. It's been such a horrific year, plus for so many people. I appreciate his joy. So what do you say, Burritos? I'd love to hear you chime in the comment section down below. Do you think this is just a simple thing for a young man winning, celebrating? It's a Jamaican custom for us to celebrate with each other like this. What do you say to the people who are very adamant that, you know, he should, you know, suffer some sort of consequences for this action, for this outburst in the middle of the race? What do you say? I know in many different events across the world that people do have certain rules and guidelines as it relates to showboating and how they display their celebrations, that there are parameters in which you have to abide by. You have to conduct yourself, you know, in a certain manner. And so we don't know if moving forward that ISA would definitely implement a lot more stringent guidelines that the athletes will have to abide by, or else they might actually lose their medal or won't be able to compete. So let me hear what you have to say, Burritos. More want to hear your thoughts. There's so many angles to approach this, but I just feel, say, the athlete, all him have to do is just to have a conversation. Somebody just need to have a conversation with him and say, yo, nobody now take her from a celebration, but maybe you want to wait until after you do the race. You might bust a little one blank in the ear. Maybe not mid-race you take your hand and point into the direction of the athlete while you're still in the motion of the race before you reach the finish line. Maybe that was a little bit OD, but maybe you can do a little bust blank after you cross the finish line. I just bust a blank in the ear. Maybe that is, you know, would read a lot differently to the persons who oppose this celebratory act. So, you know, more to hear your sound off in the comments, Burritos. Where you say, you think some people must just shut up and allow the athlete, or do you think that, you know, the gun salute and all of that thing was just too much and they need for just suffer some sort of consequences? Sound off below. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button. I'm also trying to head to the 300,000 subscriber mark, so please subscribe as well. This is the countdown quickie. I bury this, so make sure to say, you know, yeah, check out the next time when we're going to be rambling about something totally random. Peace out. Ta-ta.